Welcome to this episode of Ink It Up with Jessica TV. I'm Jessica Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to cut cardstock for the inside of your cards. Now, some people use like computer copy paper for the insides of their cards, but I tend to use Stampin' Up's Whisper White cardstock, and it's because I can stamp an image on it and it looks really nice. And also, I can use the leftover bits and pieces on the fronts of my cards. So let me show you how I do that. I start with a piece of 8.5 by 11 inch Whisper White cardstock, and I cut it at 5.25 inches. So this is along the 11-inch side. Cut it at 5.25, and then I cut it at 5.25 again. That leaves me with a little 1/2-inch strip that I can use on the front of my card. Then I turn that piece and cut it at 4 inches, and then 4 inches again. And that leaves me with another little piece that I can use on the front of my card. And I repeat that with my second piece that's 5.25 inches. I cut that at 4 inches and 4 inches. So when I'm done, that leaves me with 4 pieces that are 4 inches by 5.25 inches and some little 1/2-inch strips. So let me show you how I use those. On the front of this card, I used one of these pieces. It layers really nice on the front, and if you use a colored card base, you can see that around it. These little strips I like to stamp my greeting on. They look really small, but once you put them on your card, they look a little bit bigger once you've stamped your greeting on it. And I like to banner cut the end. You can do that with a banner punch or just with your scissors, and those can be used on the front of your card. Then these same inserts, anytime I use a card base that is a darker color, that is, maybe if I write on it, it would be harder to read, I always do a Whisper White insert. You can see the color of the card base around that. And then you can just stamp a greeting on it. You might want your words here, or you can stamp an image in the corner, all 4 corners, however you want to do it. Just get creative. I hope that this tip helped you and that you will start to decorate the insides of your cards. Happy stamping!